Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. This is the third video of the Excel tutorial, and in this video we will learn about the data validation in Excel. Okay, so this is the most important topic. So for example, this is my basic table, and inside there is a student name, student age, their joining date, for example according to their institute and city. So I want to apply some data validation that sometime the name is more characters, so I want only, for example, 7 characters for the name field. And okay, if I extend this, I can mention it. For example, I want to data validation that not greater than the 7 characters of the student name. And similarly, I want the data validation in age that student must be between 20 to 30 age limit. For example, this is the MS student. Okay, so the age must be 20 and 30, and the joining date must be of, for example, the student must join between the June 1 to June 30, 2020. It means that only 1 month student should join in this month. Okay, and for the cities, okay, for example, the student must be between the 1 July to 30 July, and the cities student must from the 4 cities. Okay, so this is the data validation which I want to apply on this. So first of all, let's move to the text validation for the student name. If I select all these, for example, I want to enter the 4 rows, and inside the data this, and go to the data validation, and click on the data validation. And here you can inside the setting you can allow, so basically this is the text value, so therefore I text length, and the text length is between, okay, minimum, for example, you can also set the minimum 3 characters and maximum 7 characters. For in this instance I set the minimum 0 characters. Okay, so student name must be with up to the 7 characters. Okay, and inside the, this is the error alert, and here you can also select the warning information. So what will be the title of the error if the student insert the greater than 7 characters? So the title is text error, for example. Here you can mention by your own, and here for example I mentioned the name should be, this is the basically a meaningful message for the student when the error comes in data validation. Okay, so the name should be up to 7 characters, something like, if okay. And if I here write student name, for example Nasir, and it will allow me, so this is the 5 characters, so not greater than 7, so it will allow me. But if I change this, for example, I greater Khan, okay, now it shows me the error message that name should be up to 7 characters, and this is the default text of your you set the text, that is okay. So this is the error validation, so basically an text validation in Excel. So hope you will understand about this. Okay, so here I write another student name, that is Majid. The third one is, for example, Jawad, and so on. Okay, so enough for this. So let's move to the number validation. So I said that age must be between the 20 and 30. So go to the data validation, and here from the setting, okay, so this is the number, so therefore I select the whole number. Okay, and did this be between the 20 and 30. Okay, the minimum age will be 20 and maximum will be 30. So no student can enroll greater than 30 or less than 20. And by default I not change the error. Okay, text message, by default it will show some error. For 30 is allow, uh, 28 will also allow, but when I press 34, for example, it shows me the error. Okay, and this is the basically error message. And so therefore I must enter the student name between the 20 and 30. Okay, so what's about the date validation? So here I mentioned that joining date between July, okay, 1 and 30. So here you can select the date and between. Okay, so the starting date will be, for example, 1st July 2022 to 30 July 2022. Okay, so no student can enroll other than this month, that is July, no sorry, this is June, 6 is for the June. Okay, so this is and 6, 30 and 2022. Okay, so when I press okay, so now you can, if you enter for example the first date, that is 4, so it will allow, so basically it is in the June month. So when you also 30, it will also allow. But when I press for example the July month, okay, and then you will see that it shows me the error, the value should be okay. So you should have to change this. Okay, so the 5 is also not allowed, only 6 month will be allowed. So hope this will help you if you how you can validate the date. So let's move to the next one. Okay, that is the city validations. Okay, and here I mentioned that this is the basically the list. Okay, so how you can validate the list? For example, the city must be between only four cities. So here I press list, and here I mentioned that which four I want in the list. First city name is Islamabad, second is Karachi, for example, third is Mardan, and four is something Rawalpindi. So it will only allow these four cities now. Okay, after this, here you can see that when I click on selector, only these four cities are showing, and it only allow me this city. For example, if I write something that is not mentioned in this list, for example, here I mentioned Peshawar, that is not mentioned in these four city, and that it will shows me the error. So the value should be inside these four. So this is how you can validate the list. So that is all about the data validation is Excel. So hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this topic, you can email me. Email is mentioned in video description, or you can comment inside the video comment section. Stay connected to this tutorial series for more to learn about the Excel. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.